Hi, I'm Wallace. I'm the founder and CEO of Above Board Financial. And in this video, I wanted to share with you the top insurance mistake to avoid if you are thinking about taking a break from paid employment. And if you're at the point where you haven't yet decided for sure if you're going to take a break or not, meaning you haven't yet given formal notice, you haven't actually quit your job, but it's an idea that's been coming into your mind, or maybe you know someone who did it, then this is actually the perfect time to reflect on your insurance situation and make sure that things are really well set up. And the way that you would set things up is going to be to your benefit, whether you end up taking that break or not. Now, the key thing to do is to make sure that if you could qualify for an individual disability insurance policy, that you get one in place as soon as possible. Most workplace disability plans have big gaps, as in your take home pay would drop by 30% or more if you actually went on disability leave. Now, what that does though is it creates the ability for you to get coverage while you still have that workplace disability plan, but it's going to be a small, often more moderately priced policy than if you were covering all of your income with an individual policy. And what's great about that is that if you do end up deciding to take a break in the future, as long as you keep paying your premiums on that individual policy, it will remain effective. It will continue to cover you even if you're taking a break from paid work. A second benefit of getting that individual policy in place is that it gives your future self a lot more options when you do decide to return to paid employment. And the reason for that is that most individual disability insurance policies either are designed or can be designed to have a mechanism for increasing your coverage in the future, as long as you can prove that it makes sense financially. So, for example, if you're currently working at a New York investment bank, and let's say that you get an individual policy in place and eventually you do decide to take a break for a few months, go catch up on some travel, some time with friends and family, and then you decide to join an early stage fintech company. Well, oftentimes that sort of company is not going to have workplace benefits, or if they do, it'll be super modest. You can go back to your insurance carrier and just prove that you have a new job, the workplace benefits are different, and then you can request an increase in coverage. You don't have to do a medical exam. You don't have to prove that you're still in excellent health. You just do a simple administrative thing to demonstrate that you qualify financially. So that's a really great option because you will hopefully never be in a situation where you have to pick an employer based on whether they offer insurance benefits that you couldn't qualify for individually. You can pick an employer based on who you want to be working with and how you want to be spending your time at work. So feel free to get in touch with us at hello@aboveboardfinancial.com or come visit our website to get a quote at aboveboardfinancial.com. We'd be happy to help you.